has been done last year. Also the consultant, Mr. Ashwini Kumar, I believe Ryan. Yeah. Ashwini Kumar is the consultant. The CM has given me an assurance that we'll follow up as soon as he comes back from the ceremony of Honorable Prime Minister over the next 2 days. So I believe by this coming week I'll have more clarity on that market status.
The estimates have been completed, detailed estimates have been completed as far as the market is concerned. So we are in finalizing stage of implementing, how to implement execution of renovation. 20 crores has been sanctioned, and most likely I think in the next 3-4 months you will see that the work being executed.
The amount was sanctioned, but
20 crores काम झाले sanction.
it was sanctioned
Sanction?
on budget, but the amount is given to municipality or still lying with the government.
20 crores have been given to the municipality. 20 crores have been given to the municipality. We are still, the detail, what happened was, there were a couple of issues. एक शेडाचो issue आलो पयलीं, शेड घालपाचो या ना तो. So there were a lot of things, new drainage, electrical changes. So keeping all the sewage in line, that estimates have been prepared. It's in finalizing stage. I expect, I think somewhere in the next 3-4 months it should start getting executed phases.
The downtown scheme is actually was initiated by our late Honorable Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar, and it has already been going on for the last 3-4 years now, and it has reached a particular stage where we need to see how we can pursue it and get it implemented. So these are all things that I need to follow up in this within this term, and make sure we can move things as fast as possible, so that the people of Mapsa are happy that there are things that are happening for the city.